Hello, you're welcome to Grantskills International Paint Institute. I am Onyebuchi Megan and I'll be your instructor on paint making. Paint making is a tradition, it's more than just a skill. It has been in existence for long and it can never be relegated to the background. Our paint making classes are standard because we actually meet up with high standards. It's also open to all. So if you're looking forward to how to produce paint and start a business with it, this is the right place to be. In our classes, we teach you how to make paint and the very basis of painting. For the beginners, we'll teach from the scratch. We'll teach you what you need to know and what you need to learn. You don't need any specific academic qualification as it is open to all who are willing to devote their time and energy towards learning. So hurry, enroll for this course now. Thank you very much. See you in class.